Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about wholesale deals for Waistbeads. So my business Rera's Gems, Rera, we offer wholesale Waistbeads, and these are some of the crystals I use in making these Waistbeads. So your also order starts from a minimum of 20 strands of waist beads. If you would want them in thread, that is tie-on waist beads, or you want them in clasp, you would have to specify the sizes you would like, maybe from 26 to 26 inches, 33 inches, 36, 44, 41. Those are some of the common sizes. So if you would want it in any of that, you would let us know if you would want it in clasp. And if you would want it in thread, you would get it in either 45 inches long or 50 inches long, however you want it. And I deliver worldwide by DHL. So this is a client's order. It was shipped to Canada. She sent the designs she wanted, though we were not able to get we came to a conclusion and we made something similar to the pictures she sent, and she loved them. So these are the videos I sent to her, and I just thought to post them on YouTube as well. This is how I pack them in sealable nylons. Then everything goes into a Ziploc bag. And yes, so we deliver nationwide. If you're in Nigeria, worldwide, whatever country you're in. And yes, I'll leave my WhatsApp number and my Instagram handle here, so you can contact